Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. Can. Can. The ability to do something. I can do that. I can do that. I can show you the way. I can speak Spanish. I can show you the way. I can teach. I can teach. I can breathe. I can yawn. Yawn. Yeah. How cool is that? So the ability to do something. I can sing. I can sing. Yeah. I can dance. I can dance. I can dance. He can't sing. So I can sing, he can't sing, we can sing. See, I can dance, he can dance, they can't dance. I can dance, he can dance. They can't dance. So that means then it's I can, you can, they can, he can, she can, it can. How cool is that? So I can read. I can read. I can read. How cool is that? I can read. I can read. You can listen. You can listen. They can learn. They can learn. 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 He can speak English. He can speak English. See, he can speak English. She can speak Spanish. So she can speak Spanish. And it can speak back to me. Or it can't speak. The animal, it can't speak. Or the robot, it can speak. Yeah, it can learn. It can learn. It can walk. It can listen. Listen. Yeah. I can use this device to teach. This machine, this widget, to teach. I can use my suspenders to teach. To teach. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, very nice. So I could have been dancing then too. So there's no canned, there's no can, it's could. It's past tense, I could have. I can teach, I could have taught. I could have taught. I could have taught. I could have breathed. I could have yawned. Yawned. I could have yawned. Because then we can say, I could have taught, I could have breathed, I could have yawned. Yes. How cool is that? I can dance too. So I can dance, he can dance too as well. They can listen too. They can listen to my lesson too. See, they can listen to my lesson too as well. As well. How cool is that? Yeah. He can be dancing now. Yeah, he can be dancing now, but he chose not to. He could be dancing now. Yeah. I can go there now. I can go there now. But he could be going now. He could be going now. Yeah. He could be listening. He can be listening. He can listen. See, he can listen. Future tense. He could be listening. Future continuous. ing, listening. He can listen. Come and join us. He could be listening if you let him. If you let him. How cool is that? Yeah. He can listen. He could be listening if you let him. Did you let him? Well, different story, isn't it? Yeah. So I can sing. I can't sing. Yeah, I could not dance. I could not sing. I could not sing. Couldn't sing. Yeah, no way. No way. Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Can, the ability to do something. I can sing, I can't sing. No. You can read, I can listen. He could listen, I can listen. How cool is that? So, can. Now, can you use can in a sentence? Comment below in the comments. Comment with your sentence below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.